Hey guys, wanna know how to change your password in BeFunky? It's super easy, so in this video, I'm going to guide you through a step-by-step process on how to do it. Let's get right into it. Now first up, make sure you are signed in BeFunky. You should be in the dashboard first. Now, in order to change your password, on the top left corner of the website, you can see your profile picture. Click on it and then click Account. Once you've clicked there should be basic information about your profile, including your password. In order to change your password, there is this change button right here. Click on it. Now type in your new password. After that, click on Change Password. And there you have it. Your password has been changed as easy as that. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe and tune in with us for more related videos. See you in the next one.